EC on the track.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Accelerate. Today we're going to be doing a short review and fit-in of this Maxton Designs spoiler extension for the Marc II TTRS 8J on some of the owners clubs. I see a lot of posts asking if anybody actually fitted this item, so I decided to take the plunge and buy one, and just to see what it's like on the car, fit-in review and how it looks properly, because Maxton Designs, their photos ain't the best, so we thought we'd just get some better shots of it for you. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Right, so let's see what's in the pack. Even better without a button on, but never mind.
We just that was pretty cool.
That's my M knife, by the way.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. So yeah, it looks pretty quality so far. Obviously there's a bit of scratch because there's plastic covering. But what else we got in here? We got a nice little sticker.
We like stickers.
Yeah. Spoiler cap installation manual. This is technical. Right, anyway, we're not gonna bother that. Right, we got a nice little alcohol wipe. Obviously to prep the surface first before bonding it to it. Some nice 3M adhesive. Okay.
So it comes with the adhesive, so you literally don't need to purchase anything else to install it then. That's pretty cool.
No, to be honest, I was debating. I got 3M VHB tape, which I was going to use because I used that on my S2000 spoiler, and it is really, really good stuff. It's very high bond.
Yep.
But we'll trust them this time and see if it sticks on. Doesn't Maxton, you owe me 120 quid.
We got video proof.
Yeah. Well, nice finish actually, in gloss. I went for the gloss black rather than a texture because it's on top of the car. Obviously the car's glossy. I know the other skirts are in like a satin finish, but I want stuff shiny on top of the car.
We like shiny stuff.
Shiny bling. Right, so that's it, quite nice actually. So far so good.
Yeah, it seems okay so far.
Yeah. But I will just get some masking tape just to make sure I don't stick it in the wrong place.
Yes.
Like on the top of the
on the front.
Yeah. Right, okay. Right, I tried to put some tape on here to hold it, but unfortunately the car's got so much wax on it, it's not really sticking to it. However, the spoiler extension actually fits really, really well in the recess of where the spoiler lines are on the original spoiler. As you've got the curve there, if you come in about 3mm, as you can see you have the rear side of it there, which has actually got a lip on it. Sits in there, absolutely lovely. Same with the other side, so they're saying to mark, obviously the edges. If you're on your own, I would advise it. However, there's two of us. So what we're just going to do is clean the back of the spoiler, and I'm going to do it by eye because it does fit really, really well at the moment. So yeah, spot on.
Workshop manager approves. Yep.
Right, so what we're going to do next is clean this section off, get rid of the wax, any contaminants, anything to stop the adhesive bonding this bullet to the car. They do send you a wipe for this, however I got my own isopropyl alcohol, so I'm going to use that. I use it on the S2000 and this stuff's stronger than the wipe anyway, so let's go ahead and do it. Oh yeah, it's definitely going to wax on that now.
Ouch.
Yeah, it feels horrible. Right, being in South Wales, it's minus 20 odd. No, it is actually really cold, so what I can do is just warm up the area just so that the adhesive bonds a bit better. We've had the gas fire going all morning, take the chill off, but yeah, let's just make sure it does adhere.
So you want the surface to be warm anyway to
adhere make sure it does adhere to it.
Is it recommended to use a sport hairdryer?
Oh, you're going to have a small one, right? If you're going to buy one, buy a real one. This isn't mine, by the way.
Kelly's easily distracted.
Right, so next thing is peel them off.
The satisfying part.
Trying to get it started is the hard part. Like me, we pre-done that.
We clipped that.
Because I cursed it quite a bit. Alright, here we go.
Confidence is on point.
Whether the fitting is another thing. Let's stick it down.
Right, now it's actually fitted. What do you think of it?
Right, well, I've always said that this spoiler is too low for the TDRS. It's an RS, it should be a bit more.
Yes, in your face.
Yeah, I'm in your face.
I'm in your face.
Right, so yeah, people do buy the
Should we take two?
I can't even say 3 letters. ILR spoiler, which is wider. This now gives it that impression that it is a taller spoiler, which is what I think it really needs.
Without replacing the whole spoiler as well, I suppose.
Yeah, and it only costs £120. So yeah, we'll get some. Well, get it out now and get some better photos, get some better angles for you.
Maxton Design extension is on. What are your thoughts?
I wish I'd done it sooner, to be honest. Fitment was bang on. I can't fault them for that. Yeah, I would highly recommend it personally. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this answers a lot of questions for you. Once again, I would definitely recommend it. For more how-to videos, we are going to do a couple more, including my camper van conversion. First time we're ever going to do this, so should be interesting. Hope you guys enjoy. Speak to you soon.